Rustic modern retreat kitchen design ideas. Whenever we hear the word rustic, what comes to our mind is wooden features in different areas of an interior. There might even be brass features as well. It could be far from a modern style that is neat and sleek. But did you know that it is actually possible to combine both? Yes, designers found a way to combine a rustic style with a modern design. And the result is just lovely. For sure, it isn't what you were expecting because a rustic modern kitchen actually looks really nice. I like how the wooden features of the kitchen complement with the great floor tiles. There are also other elements here that made it look even lovelier, like the pendant lights and the use of steel.